Hi, I'm Chris from Made Simple, and in this video I'm going to give you a walkthrough of how to create an advanced discount. So here we are on the Cost Plus homepage. We already have a Gold Customers discount, which was a basic discount, and if you haven't seen that video, I advise you to go back and watch that one, as I'm going to skip over some of the parts explained in that to help this condense this video a bit. But let's go ahead and get started. Click Add Advanced Discount. So similar to the basic discount, we need to give it a label that the staff will see on the buttons they'll press on the point of sale. So I'm going to make one for silver customers. The reason, again, is going to be on the applied text to the order. So I'm going to have loyalty. You want this to be a customer-facing text. What's new about advanced discounts first is the restrictions. So you'd be able to restrict it by location. By default, it's on all locations. You can restrict it to particular staff. You could even require a security code. So if you want to apply the owner's discount, you need to put in a security code. And last off is a discount cap. So if you want up to $200 per order as the maximum discount available, then you could put that here. And so we'll first try to apply all the rules discounts, but as soon as this cap's reached, it just stops applying discounts and applies the cap. So after you're happy with those setup options, go ahead and click Save. And we'll move on to our rules. So click Add New Rule. So here we are in the rules. This is where you can be specific to a customer tag, specific to a product tag, anything like that. For me, I'm going to go ahead and do dog toys. This is a pet store, and perhaps we give silver customers 20% off dog toys, but only 10% off treats and things like that. You want to differentiate by product range. So I'm going to click price as our parameter to calculate the discount percentage, and 20% off for dog toys. I'm not going to cap it. The more toys they buy, it's still going to get 20% off. I'm not going to restrict it by customer. I'm going to rely on staff to know that that's a silver customer, but you could restrict it to customers tagged with a particular tag. You can also add a cap per customer per month if that's something you'd like to do. Here's where you could add a tag. If all your dog toys are tagged with dog toys, for instance, you could add dog toys here, press enter, and it would add that tag. I'll put a capital O there. But for me, I find it easier with our store to just select a collection. So I'm going to go ahead and click the dog toys collection and hit save. And so we'll go back to the main page of the discount setup, and you're now going to see there's a rule here with dog toys, 20% off, and it's a price-based discount. So now we can do the same thing, but for treats, and only difference being 10% discount. And we're now going to select dog treats. So once we're happy with that, we can navigate back to the home page, and you're going to see two discounts here that will be available to staff to select from the point of sale. So I'm just going to, I've got a tablet here, so we can just go ahead and do a demonstration of now if we add treats and a dog toy to the cart, we would expect that it's 20% off the dog toy and only 10% off the treat. So there we are. So I've already got a dog toy in the cart, so let's go ahead and add a treat. There we go. So now click the Apply POS Discounts. If you're not sure how to get the tile there, there's a video on how to apply from the point of sale. So go ahead and watch that. But here you see it's loaded the discounts. We have gold and silver. You're able to filter by keyword if you had a whole list, but otherwise we're going to go ahead and apply our silver customers discount. And here you have, so 10% loyalty discount is what is applied to the milk and cookies, peanut butter treats, and 20% has been applied to the puzzle toy. So that's all for this video. There's plenty more videos of different examples and more niche examples. Also, if there's something or questions you have, feel free to fire them through to us. But otherwise, thank you for watching this video.